exactly. Oh, absolutely. Is that so? And how did the nanny treat you? How does she treat you in the daytime? Really? Really? Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. And does Kyla hit you all the time? Yeah, no comment there. You don't even want to look at the camera. Sometimes she hits you, right? Yeah, does it hurt? No comment. I just want to look away. Really? That bad? You can't even look up? Oh, it was that bad? You don't want to talk about it? Okay. You don't need to talk about it.